Please put your hands together for Mr. Rupesh Thokala, Senior Product Manager at Oracle, known for his technical capacities and vision in product development. Rupesh sir is the main man responsible for product management activities for Apex, including Apex services and autonomous databases. Let's welcome him warmly to share his expertise on the topic, What's New in Oracle Apex 24.2. Sir?
Just 1 second, I'm setting up my screen. Okay, let us start. Since some of you are new to Apex, what I did, I tried to put up basic slides of Apex as well, what Apex is and how we can develop applications. So in the next 1 hour, we are going to talk about what is Oracle Apex, what have we introduced with Apex 24.2, and we'll also learn how to write Apex in general, So I'm going to talk about all those things and we'll see how it goes. Device data is different from projects data. There's no relevant, right? How we did it in the backend. So simply click on your page 1. Let us see what is the logic behind that. So when it happened, when I click on Ask AI button, right? If I go back to my backend development page and see there is a button called Ask AI here. In my Ask AI, you can see there is a new dynamic action that we have configured. When user clicks on that button, Ask AI, it should open a chatbot. So that's what I'm seeing here. The chatbot type is Show AI Assistant. Under this, if you observe, I'm doing a configuration called chatbot configuration. This is my shared components chatbot configuration, AI configuration that we configured. So if I click on the shared component, let's understand the logic. Edit component. And yeah, this is using the working copy, so I have other features as well. If I scroll down, you can see here, if the question cannot be answered using the provided information, respond with information not found. Do not hallucinate. Hallucination in the sense when you go and ask your chat GPT, it will assume something and it will respond, right? I don't want that. I want data to come from the data source that I provided. So I just mentioned that in system prompt. From data, where should it come? I have two sources, one to give employees data, another is to give projects data. So let me click on employees data. So if you see, all I did here, I wrote an SQL query. To be frank, I didn't even write it. I used Apex Assistant to generate that. So I got an SQL query to fetch employee ID, employee name, job role, height, date, etc. from a view available in my database. That's it. Every time user asks a question, it will come to this query, it will run this query, it will pick the relevant text from this based on user question, it will augment with the user question and it will generate the text for you. So you can also customize settings like if the last user prompt, any user prompt or last user prompt, last user question contains employees, department, salary, manager, then only use this rack data source. You can also configure those settings seamlessly. Okay. Similarly, for generate text also I have written something like this. I'm not going to bore you guys with too many examples, but yeah, summarize projects with AI. When our user asks about a particular project, I'm coming to this rack source project details query, and underneath this, you can see where PID is equal to :P13 project ID. When user clicks on particular project called train developers, it will use the project ID here, get the data, summarize the text for you and generate the text for you. Do an upvote for that as well. So why I'm saying this, with every release of Apex, we get at least 30 to 40 features from that application itself. Right? Last year with Apex 24.2 we got 30 features from IDS application. With Apex 24.1 we got 39 features from the IDS application. So if you want any features, please go ahead and raise a request there as well. And yeah, I forgot